eggs, fries, and delicious veggies. What is not to love? Here's how to make this delicious Tanzanian omelette called chips MAYAI, also known as Zege. So of course, and as always, I'm going to start by prepping my vegetables. So I've got about a quarter of a red onion and I'm going to chop it up. And I've also got 1 tomato, which I'm going to dice up. To add a bit of colour, we add bell peppers across 2 different colours. So I've got about half of a green bell pepper and half of a red bell pepper. And I'm just going to chop this up. And then you can't forget to add a bit of chilli as well. So I've got my pan here and I'm going to add in some oil, and I'm just going to start off by sauteing my onions. Once that's cooked down a bit, I add in my bell peppers and my tomatoes, and then I start to prepare some eggs. So I whisk about 5 eggs together, season it with a bit of salt, black pepper and all-purpose. And then I return to my pan where I first of all add some chips or fries, which I've just cooked in the air fryer. Then you're going to layer on top your eggs. So you want this to fill the entire pan, and then you just want to cook it on a medium temperature for about 5 minutes on each side. I use a plate just to make it easier to flip it onto the other side.
Purchase your tracks today.
If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.